concentration terms. Okay, this is the way that how can we determine that how much a solution is concentrated. Like for example, you have 100 ml of water, okay, and you dissolve 2 tablespoons of sugar into it, and some have 30 ml of water, and he dissolve 50 grams of sugar in it. So which solution is concentrated? Okay, so this is the way that this is the way that it can tell you that how much. There are some terms, mass by mass percentage, mass by volume percentage, that they can tell us that how a solution is concentrated. Okay, how much a solution is concentrated. So mass by mass percentage is a way that it can tell us this solution is 50% concentrated, this is 30% concentrated. Okay, so what is mass by mass percentage? Mass by mass percentage is the mass, when we can simply write it that when x grams of solute, when x gram of solute, x gram of solute is dissolved. So when x gram of solute is dissolved in 100 gram of water, not water, but actually we will write here solution. Okay, so it should be solution. In this solubility we have solvent, here we have solution. Okay, the difference between mass by mass percentage is simple. Mass by mass percentage, just we in simple called it W by W percentage, is equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Okay, here we will have solute and here we have solution, you need to keep in mind. Okay, so, and this is always noted with percentage. Okay, so if I'm saying here that mass by mass percentage, and you can write it, if it is not given to you, you can write it mass of solute, if the mass of solution is mass of solute upon mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Okay, mass of solvent, okay, because this is togetherly called, we can consider this one that this is actually the mass of solution. Okay, so this is actually the mass of solution, so we can write mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100. Got it? So this is mass by mass percentage, or we can write it W by W percentage. Note it down. So the question comes to you that calculate the mass by mass percentage when 25 grams of sugar is dissolved in 100 grams of water. What is the mass of solute here? Mass of solute is equals to how much? Tell me. 25 grams. Okay, and mass of solution will be, here you know that it is water, it is not the solution, so it should be mass of it is solvent. Okay, water is solvent. The mass of solution will be 100 plus 25. This is the solvent and this is solute. So when you add up, you will get 125 grams. Okay, now mass by mass percentage is equals to mass of solute 100. Note it down, that is 25 is the mass of solute upon 125 into 100. Calculate it. So you cut it, 25 ones are 25, 25 5s are 125, you cut it 5, we got 20%. Got it? Do this question please. Calculate the mass of water and the mass of glucose required to make 250 grams of 40% solution of glucose. So here you will find that calculate the mass of water and the mass of glucose. So mass of glucose is mass of solvent. Okay, sorry, mass of solute. So it is being asked mass of solute. Okay, you need to find out, and mass of solvent you need to find out. Okay, what is being given to you? Mass by mass percentage. Mass by mass percentage that is being given to you is 40%. Okay, and the total required to make 250 grams of solution. The total mass of the solution is Okay, total mass of solution, it is given to you, that is 250. Now you know that if the mass of solute is x, then the mass of solvent will be 250 minus x. Mass, if the mass of solution is given to you 250 grams, the mass of solution is, how you get the mass of solute? If you consider the mass of solute is x grams, then the mass of solvent will be mass of solution minus mass of solute, that is 250 minus x grams. Do you understand this one? Tell me, do you understand this one? Right, each and everything that is being given to you, that right, 40% is given to you, the w by mass percentage is 40. Right here 40 is equals to x is the mass of solute upon mass of solution is 250. So right here 250 into 100. Okay, now this will cancel out each other. Okay, this 250 will go, this 25 will goes to that side, or you can simply cut it more. You can cut it 2 and you by 2 times, and you will get 5 here. So 5 will goes to that side. You will get 40 into 5 is equals to 2x. Okay, 2x is equals to, you can write it 40 into 5 upon sorry, 40 into 5. So this 2 will comes down, then x is equals to 40 into 5 divided by 2. You cut it, 2 ones are and 2 20s are. Okay, then again you will get 100. Okay, you will get 100, 25 the 100. So x is equals to 100 gram. So this is the mass of solute, that is you consider. So mass of solvent will be, mass of solvent will be 250 minus x, that is equals to 250 minus 100. You will get 150 grams. Got it? So in this question, if you read it, that the mass of sodium sulfate required to prepare 40%. So mass of sodium sulfate means indirectly it is asking for the mass of solute is being asked, and we consider it as s gram. Okay, and w by w percentage, first of all write the biography every time, that is 40%, and the mass, water is a solvent. Okay, the mass of solvent is equals to 100 gram. Okay, so what is being asked, you need to find out the value of x. So I told you that when it is the mass of solvent is given to you, I give you the formula, w by w percentage is equals to, this is the formula. When we don't have the mass of solution, so we write it in the splitted form. Got it? So it is given to you, that is 40. So right here 40 is equals to mass of solute we considered as x. So right here x upon x plus what you're going to write here, x plus 100. Okay, into 100. Most of the student get cut this one, that is incorrect. You don't cut it like this way. Okay, this will be considered as incorrect. Okay, now what you are going to do here is, right here 40, and this bracket will goes to that side. Okay, this you will write here x plus 100 is equals to 100x. Now multiply this one, you will get 40x, multiply this one, you will get 4000. Okay, is equals to 100x. Okay, now this will goes to that side and will get subtracted. So I'm doing this part here further. So we'll get 100x minus 40x. Why? Because this will goes to that side. So we're just writing this like this way, it's okay, is equals to 4000. Don't get confused that why I write 4000 here. It is same if I write it like this way, whole and whole this part here, so it's okay. Okay, now what you are going to get, you will get 60x is equals to 4000, and now x is equals to 4000 divided by 60. So what, let's do one more questions, just a minute. Question number 39. Okay, so in this question, during an experiment, students were asked to prepare a 10% mass by mass solutions, okay, in water. Ramesh dissolved 10 grams of sugar in 100 grams of water. Okay, 10 grams of solution sugar in 100 grams of water, while Sarika prepared it dissolving 10 grams sugar in to make 100 gram of solution. Which one is correct? Read the question and give the time to the question that what is being asked, and then tell me what is the answer. In this question, if you check that 10 grams 10 she need to make 10%, huh? So for 10%, the 10 grams of solute should be dissolved in 100 grams of solution, na? Of solution, so that if this 100 and 100 will cancel out each other, and we will get the 10% W by W as a percentage. So this is a simple that if Ramesh dissolve this in 100 gram water, so it is 100 gram water which is a solvent, not then it will what Ramesh is going to do, Ramesh is getting 100 plus 10 plus 100 into 100. So according to Ramesh, the mass of solution will be 110, because 100 gram is water itself and 10 gram is that sugar in it. Okay, so that in that case it is 110, in that one did not gives you 10%. But Sarika is doing correct here. Sarika is getting 10 grams of sugar in water to make, when she is making 100 grams of solution. The total mass of her solution is 100 grams. So Sarika is correct. Okay, got it? And compare the mass percentage of the two solution. The first is Sarika will be 10%, and that of Ramesh, and that of Ramesh would be how much it would be for Ramesh. Ramesh is actually doing what, that he is making 10 dissolving 10%, 10 grams of sugar in 100 grams of water. So 100 plus 10 will be the 110 gram will be the mass of solution for the Ramesh into 100. Okay, so this will be 110 into 100 here. You cut it, you will get 100 upon 11, that would be 9 point something percent. Okay, so this is not accurate 10%. Let's calculate how much this will be the percentage, 9.09%. Okay, so this is for the Ramesh, mass by mass percentage for Ramesh, percentage for Ramesh. Okay, so read this question, question 41. This is very important question from the NCERT exemplar. So Arun has prepared 0.01% by mass solution of sodium chloride, and he has the resulting solution is 0.01%. Okay, got it? Which of the following correctly represent the compositions? Okay, so you need to check that if he has 1 upon 1 in 100 gram, so will it gives you this value? Will this gives you this value? Will this gives you this value? Will this gives you this value? So tell me that which one is the correct option. In these questions, I'm just going to tell you only that this C option will be the correct. I'm not explaining, just I'm going to explain you that why it is so. Because if you have 0.01 grams here, and in this one, when you add the mass of the total solution will be 0.01 plus 99.99 into 100. Okay, so when you put this value, you will get 0.01 as a percentage. Okay, why? Let me explain you that why C option is correct. That it is 0.01 upon, when you add these two, okay, 99.99, and when you add 0.1 to it, so it will become 0, then 1 carry, then it will become point, then it will become 100. Okay, so this will become 100 into 100, so this will gives you 0.01%. Okay, so this C option is correct. Other options may you will in some of the option you will get some other values. So this is the only correct compositions. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for joining.